I'm going to show you how to make this delicious chocolate shake in just a moment. But first,
Hey, are your knife skills scary? Are you tired of eating the same old meal? Is meal prep like seriously stressing you out? I'm gonna show you a simple and easy recipe. It's nutrient packed and quick. If you're new here, welcome. Bienvenidos. Awagwan. I'm Chef Ty, aka Tiffany. I am a professional chef and health coach and the founder here at Holistic Chefs TV. Here at Holistic Chefs TV, we teach women how to meal prep efficiently with chef-instructed cooking classes for students at all skill levels. If this sounds like something you or someone you know needs, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Make sure that notification bell is turned on so that YouTube knows that you want to see this video and others like it. So today, I'm going to be teaching you how to make a delicious protein-packed chocolate shake that is nutrient-packed, it's going to leave you full, and it's going to go ahead and smash that chocolate craving you have without fake sugars or processed sugars. Amen. If you or someone you know really struggles with meal prep, if you know that meal prep is what you need to do and you just don't have the system in place, or if you struggle with your knife skills and you need help, I'm here to help you. Go ahead and click the link below in the description and you'll see that there's a holistic toolkit there for you that's gonna set you up with everything you need: meal prep guides, shopping guides, lists, produce guides, and a cookbook with recipes to get you started on your journey to meal prepping. Go ahead, click that link below. If you feel like you need even further help with that, you say to me, no, I need your help cooking immediately, then also go ahead and click the link below in the description. You'll see a link there where you can book a phone consultation with me. Enough, let's go.
okay, here we go. First, we're going to start with our plant milk, then our coconut water. We're then going to add our mix of protein powder and cacao powder. We're going to add our hemp seeds and save some for garnish, as well as our flax seeds and save some for garnish as well. We're then going to add a burro banana and 2 dates, some ice, and you can add as little or as much as you'd like. It's up to you. We're then going to blend this, clean up a little bit while that blends, and pour into your favorite cup. You can garnish this with a little bit of cream of coconut and the flax seeds and hemp seeds that we had left over from before. It's absolutely delicious. It's packed with magnesium, omega-3s, protein, and fiber. Enjoy. Thank you so much for watching this video. Go ahead and like it and watch the video I linked below called The Best Muscle Building Shake by Regimen.